this Folsom Lake sunset. Sunset spectacular.
Okay, so we're out here at Folsom Lake getting ready for our week number 4 of our 4 April nights for our Folsom Lake Sunset Spectacular. So we're hoping for a great sunset tonight. It might happen, might not. Got a pretty good cloud cover, but we're going to teach some really fun concepts tonight, going through all the stuff that we've been learning for the past 3 weeks and tying it all together for week number 4. Join us on this journey at the Folsom Lake Sunset Spectacular. If I could get it out of my mouth, it'd be even better. But Folsom Lake Sunset, let's try Folsom Lake Sunset Spectacular.
Our shutters click in time. Silly, just the fears of life. In every hue, in every flash, with every click, we make it last. Folsom memories in our...
Oh, what a night it was. Now, we may not have gotten the sunset spectacular that we were hoping for, but we sure got spectacular clouds this evening. Now, one of the things that we do at our workshops is we teach through a few lessons, let people shoot, teach through another lesson, let people shoot. And one of the lessons we were going through was how to balance your ambient light with your flash. And it's something that we find a lot of people struggle with. In fact, I still sometimes struggle with it. But what we want to make sure that you do is make sure that your subject is easily visible within your image, right? So that your subject calls for all the attention in the picture. So you can see from the picture that's up on the screen, Samantha, our model, really stands out from the background. And we do that by darkening the background, by making sure that the background is maybe 1 to 2 stops darker than our subject. And we do that by first taking a reference picture. You take a picture without the flash on, get your background exactly how you want it in camera, and then you simply turn on the flash and give her a little pop of light. And that will balance everything out. It's actually pretty easy once you practice it a little bit, but you can see from this image that Samantha really stands out by creating that balance in camera.
Our perfect shot with hearts entwined.
Okay, so the next lesson we taught was how to be field aware. And that just simply means pay attention to what's going on around you when you're out in the field. So we all have this problem as photographers. So we get hyper-focused on whatever we're shooting. And we just shoot and shoot and shoot and shoot and never turn around, never look around, never pay attention to everything that's going on around us. This happened at the Folsom Lake Sunset Spectacular Workshop. So we had a group of people that were taking pictures of our incredible models. They were facing away from the lake, shooting away from the lake, taking a picture of this beautiful green background. I mean, it was nice, right? It didn't look bad at all. But this amazing cloud deck rolled in behind them over the lake. They paid no attention to it, right? And I'm like, guys, turn around, check out what is going on. When you see these pictures, like, it's a wow moment. All of them turned around and said, oh my goodness, I can't believe I didn't turn around, right? Always be paying attention to what's going on. You can see in these pictures just how dramatic that cloud looked. It made for a spectacular background to our subjects.
Frames the moments just right. Gather round the lens and light. On an evening so divine. Snapshots framing the twilight.
Okay, so you could see from the pictures that we were showing the clouds, right? Well, we got around till just about the end of the workshop and the rain started coming down. Now, it wasn't a gully washer, it wasn't just pouring down, but the drips were enough. It was like, okay, we're gonna need to start walking back. We were about a half a mile out from the cars. So we all start our trip walking back, and then, again, talking about being field aware, Mark turned around and he says, oh my goodness, look what's going on behind us, right? We got almost back to the parking lot, and there it was, finally, amazing color in the sky. We didn't have any color up until this point. I'm so glad that he turned around, because look what we're graced with. We were right next to the lake, so we got this beautiful sun and this beautiful color just kind of splashing across the lake. Great color in the sky. What a ending to a fantastic night. So again, always be field aware, looking around. But then also be ready to take a picture at any point. You don't want to pack up your gear completely as you're walking back to the car because you never know what you're going to find.
Shadows long on the water's edge, silhouettes form a lover's pledge. Yeah, echoes, our laughter echoes a joyous sound. With friends and cameras, we're homeward bound, taking home the sunset spell in stories that our pictures will tell. Folsom Lake at the fall of day, in every smile the sun's ray.